And now this.
Noisy Caravan.
So this here is Vicky, and she was a gift from our neighbor of the same name. We have in honor named her after the gifter. And she gave us the vehicle because she was going to call a tow yard, wrecking yard to come pick it up because it was making a series of excruciating noises, squealing, grinding. So I've done, this will be the third video. Did a video on the idler, that was bad. The tensioner arm was rocking around, and it has a new idler, new tensioner arm, and now that sound, right? Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose timing chain if it's something inside the engine, which I was suspecting it was.
Diagnosing engine noise. So what I've done is I've removed the belt, which is double-sided and still in pretty good shape. And I'm pretty sure it's a timing chain. That's what that noise is. But to make sure, I've taken the belt off, and this way you know that it's not another thing, right? So there's no belt on it. The engine will still turn over and start. But the alternator, power steering, water pump, right? All that stuff isn't going to be functional, but that's okay, it'll still run. And I can tell by the sound whether it's in the engine or it's my power steering pump, alternator, etc. Here we go. And as you can hear, sounds great. Just the crank, so something else is going wrong. And it's not my timing chain. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Right? There is something else making that noise. So.
Yeah, that noise sounded loud, but the audio on my iPhone is picking up everything, but it sounds normal. Like that's where it should sound. With the hood shut, you wouldn't hear much. It sounds like a Dodge Caravan with 140,000 miles on it, right? So that's how we want it to sound, but there's something else going on. So subscribe, more videos to come. Oh, and while you're here, check out these. It's okay, I'll wait. Yeah, check it out. Yeah.